What's up, guys? It's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we're going to talk about a butterfly sit-up with an overhead press. So for this butterfly sit-up, we always want to start by bringing the soles of the feet together, okay? We should bring those feet in, so maybe we have about 2 hands width between the groin area and that heel. Knees are going to flare out just like a butterfly, and then we are going to grab one dumbbell and we're going to start with it at our chest, elbows pinned to that rib cage. We are slowly going to come backwards. We're going to start with that dumbbell resting on that upper chest. From here, we're going to start at the top of the back as we curl that dumbbell in and then let the hips drive you the rest of the way. At the top, we are then going to throw that dumbbell up overhead. That head's going to come slightly through, and then slow lower of that dumbbell back to that upper chest, slow and controlled back, and then drive it up. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.